Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most jaw-dropping machines on wheels, and today, we're diving into something absolutely next level. This isn't just a truck. This is a full-blown luxury mansion built onto the iconic 26 Kenworth W900 chassis. From the outside, it looks like a long-haul beast ready to tear up the highway with its massive chrome grille, bullet-style headlights, custom aluminum wheels, and a body that glows under its custom black and red paint scheme. But once those motorized steps drop and the door swings open, you step into a world of insane comfort you would never expect on a semi-truck. Inside, you're welcomed into a living space that feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a motorhome. We're talking high-end materials, soft leather couches, premium wood-finished cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting in all the right places. And right in front, mounted on a sleek, modern panel, is a massive 65-inch 4K smart TV with built-in surround sound, perfect for movie nights, gaming, or watching Auto Plus in style. Walk a few steps into the kitchen and you're looking at top-tier, residential-grade appliances. A full-size stainless steel refrigerator with double doors, an induction stove, convection microwave, high-end sink with a pull-down sprayer, and solid surface countertops. There's even a built-in espresso machine. And yes, a real hardwood dining table with custom upholstered chairs. Now move toward the bedroom. This is where it gets ridiculous. King-sized memory foam bed with automatic elevation controls, custom ceiling LED constellation lighting, full off whiteout shades on all windows, 2 spacious wardrobes with mirror panels, wireless charging pads built into the nightstands, and a personal 32-inch smart screen for your own entertainment zone. And the bathroom? This is no joke. It features a full-sized glass-enclosed rainfall shower with stone tile walls, LED-lit mirrors, luxury vessel sink, custom cabinetry, and a porcelain toilet with bidet functionality. You might forget you're in a moving vehicle. And let's not forget the brain behind it all. This rig includes solar panels, lithium battery systems, a diesel generator, smart thermostat, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS monitoring, and full automation via touchscreen control. This 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just an RV, it's a full-on lifestyle upgrade for those who want freedom without giving up a single bit of luxury. Would you live in this full-time? Drop a comment. Smash the like button if this blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane builds right here on Auto Plus. Thanks for watching. And remember, some dreams run on diesel.